Sanders Elementary teacher Troy Nethery learned a little bit of trash talk can go a long way.
I was here doing a bad bowling league with some of the people I work with at Sanders, and one of the kids that's on the team was competing a few lanes down, came over and said, "Hey, Mr. Nethery," and he was commenting on how bad my score was.
That student is fourth grader Caden.
What made you want to go up to tell him that it was bad?
Because it was low.
While Nethery's score that night might have been bad, Caden had a good idea.
And he said, "Wouldn't it be nice if we had a bowling league around here for us?" And so I said, "Let's try it."
From that came the Southwest Elementary Schools Bowling League. 7 schools are in the league, including Sanders, Medora, and Dixie.
Every school has at least 2 teams, or they have up to 4 teams. So we have, I think, a total of 20 teams.
This first year, the league season is 6 weeks long to gauge its popularity. So far, the kids are taking advantage of the opportunity.
One of the things I care about is just having those opportunities for kids that they don't necessarily always get. Not every kid makes the basketball team, but this is a team where you can keep working on your skill and develop it, and even if you come in dead last, you're going to have fun doing it.
And for kids like Caden, they can continue to develop their bowling skills, even if it's at the peril of their own teachers.
How many of the kids are better bowlers than you are?
Just one.
Would you tell them that?
Would I tell them?
Yeah.
The one that's better than me?
Yes.
Oh yeah, he already knows. He's the one that came over and saw my score, and the words he said were, "Wow, you aren't very good."
Do you know that you're a better bowler than Mr. Nethery? How does that make you feel?
Happy?
Why does it make you happy?
Because he's older and I'm younger.
While developing great bowlers is one thing, the most important part is to have fun.
It's just really nice to see all the kids jumping, supporting each other, even when things don't go according to plan. And, you know, we can still celebrate gutters as much as we can celebrate a strike. So we'll make it happen and we'll get better as we go.